Climate change and environmental degradation have resulted to reduction and loss of habitats for various species. It has affected the Manipuri pony, which is known for its agility and its ability to adapt to the game of polo. SKTV News tries to find out how climate change can affect survival of Manipuri polo through this special report. Let's take a look.
Manipuri pony and its association with polo dates back centuries since its origin in Manipur. For years, people, especially polo enthusiasts from across the globe, have been at Manipur trying to trace the history of polo and Manipuri pony. But today, Manipuri pony faces a big crisis for survival, and this could deteriorate further with its number dwindling every year. There are many reasons for decrease in number of Manipuri ponies population, and the loss of wetlands is also an important reason. General Secretary of Manipur Equestrian Association, Ninko Komjang Ibumochobi, emphasized on the correlation between conservation of wetlands and ensuring survival of ponies.
Atop lamda sagol se ina khunma mayam na stable do yo I hojik phawda sagon tongan ba breed se lamhang da thadu aga wild una leibase Mongolia da lady Australia da lady smain tawna lamda wild una leibase Manipur gi semi federal haibase parts da da chahi khudingi chakta ba laiba urok tagi natural bird mayam migratory bird mayam sigi parts sigi maruwina the permanent resident of our wetland is Manipuri ponies. Mioi baga Manipuri sagon ga karama mongda mari lena gi haibabu mioi basina sagonji pharaga sagonji laaba matungda langi oigera egi sanabagi oigera natraga hiram khuding maki lainaba mari se hek loi matungda makoi je pata mu hanjagiba akoigi idhogi akoigi pokpiramba akoigi ipagi ahlamangi wari tabda lamfen sida la aga labukta kummaga magi sagonji kawda tapma tapma lae haibade chahi ahum thadu uragasu mari thadu uragasu haibade miga sagonga yam nangnaba mari ma koi pokpada koi english ta umbilical cord haibadu adugu mujani mama amaga macha amaga da koi gi mari ma lerambado tatabi permanent mari ma lei Manipur gi wetland haibase hek nanghiba matamda Manipur gi sagol ju mangni because it is their natural habitat.
Dr. T. Bajakumar, who is the Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, have also cautioned about the reduction in number of wetlands in the state. The state has witnessed the reduction of wetlands from about 500 to 132 at the moment. Meanwhile, retired chemistry professor of Manipur University and Ras Muhon also stressed on the threat posed by loss of grazing fields and habitats for Manipuri pony, as they are often forced to come out in public places and streets and eat garbage and plastic items, which often lead to food poisoning. This has also contributed to reduce numbers of ponies.
Yamna tangsilaba koi history ke su mari lena Manipuri puari ke mari lena sima pony ha besi masi yam important ko ada masi moi mayam se shoro maya mayam Malaysia ari bazar menung de sang masin yak saram de ari ko waste mayam ko to plastic ngi mayam se sel masin cha yoksing de maduna yam sathi ba problem or ka de masi ko yam da seriously ko khan ma thok tai joypur da salama mabu kan khraga ko bazar shir le na saw mabu tu veterinary doctor ki la ga moi escarin si di otong chaw he dan leng khai ga yeng ma tung da mabu manung si da kilo ni phugi plastic ki hek lai ram re adra ma sa pangam da leng mangam da na ta ma si boi le hai bi si adu ma da sa do akoi Manipur gi khwarman bazar da ya to jaga da le ba mayam si tholong hai ring le te ana si yam yang ne hu su achu ma mayam si akoi government na phajana adi public na su ewai wai da ka oi lo government gi policy ma si yapi phai adi poni si tang si la ba in danger o si la ba le ma si kan su ya da sangai gu ma ne
Manipur gifted polo game to the world. However, the Manipuri pony, which is associated with this game, is on the brink of extinction. Therefore, it is high time to conserve this rare breed of horse before it disappears from the face of art. And for that, we need to conserve wetlands and its grazing grounds. This is Katrimayum Premzan reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.